repeat. Feel another day slip down beneath my feet. When I said the rifts of the terraces contrast the grass, facing the sunshine cold that makes me gasp. Vanity's a mask, family's a trap. We're headed straight to paradise according to the map. No shame we fail to realize we've written it in Latin, trust our faults in satin. Don't hold me to pride. Yeah, I'm just here for the ride. I'm just here for the ride. I'm just here for the ride.
Ain't no shit. He's having a shit. Stay dial. He's having a shit. Made it to Holyhead. Look at the state. I'm fucking shattered.
Decision to work the overtime, I sit by the river and just silence rings backing up from the phone. Laughing at the summer and I'll sit on my own and just dip a finger in the water to test and reckon. Take a measure of the stress in my breast. That was a young dove just flying from the nest.
Review. You've actually put the burger in it. Oh god. Sat on my bacon butty looking stone. He's got a fucking burger in there. Fucking windy. Fucking Ireland. Feel the wind. It's fucking brutal. Fucking hell. Stunner line. What is that? The ship to Ireland. Oh yeah, didn't realise we had one of them. We had one of them. It's a donut. And ahoy. Top of the morning to you.
Top of the morning. Top of the morning.
Float together in the ocean, held together in a moment. Forget the weather, made the sand out of snow.
Bloody hell, don't put your toe on.
Sand out of snow. Sand out of snow. Just grab a pen, yeah, scribbled a rhythm I sang. Climb mountains, sticking out the slums. You never know life when it's done on the run. And I dip a finger in the water to test and reckon.
Back of the buzz wanker. Buzz wanker. Oh. Bloody hell. Fucking hell. You're just like, where's my fucking Guinness? Is that actual barley? Yeah. as well. Oh, he's Guinness.
I'm sure they didn't use kind in the 1750s.
What's the thing though? How can they say it's 1759 when they only discovered what the fuck? Not bad, what are you thinking?
It's like Doctor Who. Doctor Who!
Look, I'm on the buzz, I'm on the buzz, I'm on the buzz. Yeast, hops, water. How's it 95% water?
What, Guinness?
Yeah, look, that's what I'm saying. That's what that video you was what Joe the water shot. 4 simple ingredients. We're speed running it. We're speed running it. Look, they're still waiting. They're still waiting to set up. Dad, welcome to the fermentation process. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited. The Iron Man.
It probably is the world's most iconic beer, isn't it?
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean? Like Guinness is like sort of just unique to everything else.
Can't actually stand it.
What, Guinness?
Yeah.
You've never had one before.
Yeah.
You said you literally.
Well, I know I have with black currant.
Black currant.
It might be a nicer taste.
Got 300 million bubbles in every pint. Are we skipping this bit though?
Well, that's yeah.
Yeah. He just wants this fucking Guinness, come on.
I'm not bothered. I can eat the stuff. Might taste different over here. Yeah, that way.
Look at this, I mean, just imagine the pressure that would have been going through that.
This is what we used to build though.
Yeah, look.
It's for our industry.
We're in Ireland.
They imported it from us. Probably on there it'll say Sheffield Steel.
Should have Doyle on there somewhere, I reckon. Oh, big. There we are. Where's that free Guinness? Where's that free Guinness? Even though we paid for it. Even though we paid for it. Steve's gagging for a Guinness.
You smell it?
I can. It smells like we're getting closer to our final.
4 different ingredients, then they come apply Guinness, and they have 4 different aromas to them. So we're going to start down a little walk around and smell of each as we're waiting for everybody else to come in.
Do you think this is American?
I found a where's my pint? I slept. James walked around north. Yeah. Well, I didn't sleep for 3 hours while playing games. It's a lot better than being on a.
Sorry.
That's alright. Finally, he's here. Finally made it. There you go, thank you. Oh, yes. Well, the Guinnesses have been sunk. We got given some free ones, didn't we, Dad?
Oh, yes.
Free ones. That's it. That's right. That's it, you dick. There we are.
Right, what are we doing?
Well, I think this lad. Oh, there's Temple Bar. There it is. That is the Temple Bar, Dad. This here in front of you. No, this Temple Bar.
Oh, right.
That is the Temple. That's the most famous pub in all of Ireland. Yeah. Well, they got pizza joints and that. Though.
I need a wee.
My dad's like, "What is this?" I'm like, "It's the most famous pub in fucking Ireland." There you go, hey? Change choice. That's who the ship was named after.
Yeah.
There he is. What are you rating your orange juice?
Alright.
Yeah? Okay. What's down here? The water. Even though we're in Dublin, it screamed my name. Chippy. Oh, that chippy smells so good.
Type of river where you can just sit.
Maybe not. We can stand on River Wall, can't we? No, even though we're in Dublin, one thing that don't change. Chippy tea, chippy tea. He loves it, chippy tea. Look at me. Look up. We're home.
We're home.
It's got your name written all over it. Doyles. Show me your passport, see if we get a discount. Yeah. We're in Doyles.
It was on a Wednesday. Everything. I get everything wrong here. Messenger. Shit.
Do not take responsibility for any items lost. That is us. That is us. Right, so we. Oh, boom. Right, so we. It's like the Cutty Sark, innit? Kind of vibe in London.
Jeannie Johnson.
I think she has something to do with the famine story. That's what that finger was there. So, Dad, what's your favourite part about Dublin?
Crisp.
The potatoes. Now the duty free aren't way back.
Potato.
There we go. It's a final parade. Oh, Dublin, you've been great. And it cost us a tenner. There and back. Come on.
Duty free.
Only thing you've been looking forward to.
That's not a trip. There's also
It is an old English sheepdog. Oh, go and... Second sheep of the day. Oh. Big Ste says he's cold. That's what you do. Battery's gonna die. So, and eventually land the high Wales. So after being up at 5 o'clock day before, it's now 2 o'clock. We are arriving back in Holyhead. By the time we get home, it's going to be about 4:30, 5 o'clock. So it's going to be 24 hours. That's why I don't want to stand anywhere close to that. I've got the most intrusive thoughts about just falling off. It's scaring me. But yeah, man, we done it, and my GoPro's got 2% battery left. Perfect timing.